So we just decided to get a new space heater as the winter's coming and it's getting a little chillier. Our home has some cold spots, some rooms that don't get the same amount of heat as others. So we don't want to crank the heat up in the house, but we want to make sure that each room is staying nice and warm. So something like this, which is a small space heater, is great. This is the oil style heater with the fins, which is I think is a little more efficient with heat, and it does a little better job of dispersing even heat rather than just having that one ceramic heater that blasts a small certain area. So this one is really great, easy to put together. All you do is you add the feet on the bottom. This one slides on here, and this one slides in from the front. Super easy. The oil is all sealed. It's nothing that you don't have to change oil or anything like that. This just comes ready to go. Everything's sealed up, and all you gotta do is plug it in. So once you have it plugged in, you go ahead and flip it on in the front here. And then there is like a little temperature gauge here. Just go ahead and turn it to where you like it. Obviously, if you turn it all the way to high, then it puts out a good amount of heat, and that'll heat up pretty quick. I would say it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get this thing fully warmed up to where it's going to be putting out its optimal amount of heat. So why don't I go ahead and then turn it on, and we'll give it about that 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll check back in and I'll tell you guys kind of how it's running. So it's been about 15 minutes now, and this thing is definitely radiating a good amount of heat. I'm gonna turn it down. It's would definitely be powerful enough to kind of heat up and keep warm like a regular sized bedroom, something like that. So again, this is gonna be great for us to make sure that one of our rooms stays nice and warm, just like the rest of them. So all in all, this thing's super great. It does have a lot of the standard safety features. The tip over, it automatically shuts off. Space heaters have become a lot safer than they have been in the past. This one seems to be really great, really nice and safe. It weighs about 8.5 pounds, so it's not super light, which is kind of nice. That way you don't necessarily worry about it tipping over or anything like that. All metal construction, so it's a really great quality space heater, especially if you're looking for something to kind of heat up a good sized room.